Now look at part 2. For each question, write the correct answer in the gap. Write one word, or a number, or a date, or a time. Look at questions 6 to 10 now. You have 10 seconds. You will hear a man giving information about a city bus tour.
Welcome to City Bus Tours. My name's Greg. We'll start our tour at 10 o'clock. There's another tour at 1:30 and a final one at 20 past 4. There are lots of people this morning, so it might be better to do a later tour instead. If you decide to do that, you need to know the colour of the bus stop. Wait at the blue one. The green stops for the normal city buses, not tourist buses. Some of you've asked how long the tour takes. It's about 90 minutes, and I'll talk for around 40 minutes of that to tell you about the city. Don't lose your bus ticket, as you can use it to get a discount at one of the most interesting places in the city. That's the museum behind the stadium. You need to know where the tour finishes. As you can see, we're outside the university now, and the last place we'll see is the theatre. From there, you can easily get to the river.
Now look at part 2. For each question, write the correct answer in the gap. Write one word, or a number, or a date, or a time. Look at questions 6 to 10 now. You have 10 seconds. You will hear a woman talking to sailing club members about a trip.
For the next trip, we'll sail round to Southway Point and back. It's on the 19th of July, and we'll leave at 8 in the morning. But please note, this trip is longer than usual. We usually arrive back at the club at 5, but this time we'll return at 6:30 in the evening. We'll sail all morning and stop for lunch in Eastleigh Harbour. This year, we'll go to a cafe called Sky. There are pictures of clouds on the walls. It's lovely. You should bring a swimsuit, because if the weather's good, we'll dive off the boat. We have lots of towels, so there's no need for you to bring one. I know we took 20 people last time, but this time the boat's smaller, so we can only take 18. The cost of the trip is £10 per person, and if you want to go, give your name to Miss Harcourt, our new club secretary. I'll spell her surname, Harcourt. She's here every morning.
Now look at part 2. For each question, write the correct answer in the gap. Write one word, or a number, or a date, or a time. Look at questions 6 to 10 now. You have 10 seconds. You will hear a man talking about a film on local radio.
You'll be able to see a very special film in the city this weekend. It's called Runner, and it was actually filmed in our own city. It's a really exciting story. This new film's about a doctor, and the star is John Hughes, who was very successful in his last film, called Stage, which was about a rock band. They're showing it at the Caratopia Cinema. That's spelled C-A-R-A-T-O-P-I-A, which is a small cinema near the town square. You can see it from the 24th to the 31st of July. Also, on the 28th of July, some of the actors will come to talk about the film and answer your questions. Anyway, the film begins at 8:15 and is an hour and a half long, so it'll finish at 9:45. It's a good idea to book tickets. If you're studying, they're £10.50 and they're £13.30 for everyone else. You can find more information about this interesting film on our website.
Now look at part 2. For each question, write the correct answer in the gap. Write one word, or a number, or a date, or a time. Look at questions 6 to 10 now. You have 10 seconds. You will hear some information about music classes at a local college.
Hi, this is a message for Kira. You wanted some information about a music class. The class that you're interested in, the guitar class, is just after the piano class that your sister is starting soon. It's at the same place, the local college, and it's every Wednesday evening. It says Thursday on our website, but this is wrong. This information is from last year, and we haven't changed it yet. You'll need to be there at 6:15, and it ends at 7 o'clock. There's a class for advanced students in room D34, so don't go in there. The beginners class, which is the one you need, is in E29. Your classes will be with a very good teacher called Mrs. Halliday. That's spelled Halliday. Oh, and as well as doing the classes, our students can also take part in a concert. There's one for classical music in October, but yours, the rock concert, will be in December. Ring me if you need any other information.